On Wednesday, we broke a record, but on Thursday, we did not. You can thank the cloud cover for that, though. Temperatures still well above average for this time of the year, topping out at 35 degrees, only 11 off from the record of 46 in 1981. Our morning low was a dozen degrees above the norm at 17. And as you can see, we're already up to 9 hours and 11 minutes of daylight. Looking at today's highs, though, temperatures today pretty much ended up in those upper 30s once again. 38 tends to be the magic number along the shoreline from Manistee all the way to Houghton. A little bit warmer, though, in Ontonagon at 42, 37 in Iron Mountain. Looking at those winds right now, very light all throughout the central and western UP, mostly coming out of the east at 5 in Ironwood, calm in Houghton. Also in Marquette at calm, more out of the southeast, though, from Iron Mountain to Munising between 3 to 5 miles per hour. But looking at what's ahead going into the weekend, we're going to see three major things that are not going to be changing at all. The clouds, those scattered showers, and those above average temperatures. Those are going to stay relatively the same for the next couple of days. But the only first change we'll begin to see won't really take place until Tuesday, when we begin to see a little more cooler air starting to come in. Just cooler, but not very drastically cold by any means necessary. And that will introduce the snow mixing in with the rain before it officially becomes fully snow by Wednesday. But here is the setup for your Saturday. On Friday, though, rain was impacting the mid-Atlantic, affecting the inauguration, but for them, they will have nice skies all around, mild temperatures. For us, unfortunately, we're still going to be dealing with that rain, especially through the UP, further towards the west into Minnesota. They will be seeing mixed precipitation. When it comes to these showers from today all the way through Monday, these are not going to be washout per se. They're just going to be hit and miss, but you may want to have that umbrella with you if you are going to be doing any errands or traveling the next couple of days. But also keep in mind that if temperatures fall below freezing, that could also trigger freezing rain and also some refreezing. So some of the roads could become slippery, especially through the overnight and early morning hours through the next couple of days. So you may want to give yourself some extra time on those roads. But as you can see with the Futurecast, those showers are very quick moving. They'll just push through a certain area and then move away very, very quickly. But overall, just a good amount of clouds will be in. Sunshine will be extremely limited. We'll be lucky if we see any sunshine whatsoever through the next couple of days. For tonight, though, 31 degrees. It is going to be a warm one, though, when it comes to your overnight low. Still a couple degrees short of the record for the warmest low temperature. But the fog will also be another concern we'll be dealing with, especially through the late overnight and into the early morning hours, reducing that visibility with those winds out of the south at 5 miles per hour. Going into your Saturday, we will see those southeasterly winds at 5 miles per hour. Temperatures hovering into those upper 30s, as you can see, 38 in Marquette, 39 in Crystal Falls, 42 in Ontonagon. And going into the day planner for your Saturday, sunrise occurs at 8:25 a.m., but overall temperatures still hovering in those 40s, and rain chances pretty much keeping themselves in that 30 to 40% range. So on the moderate side, and going into the next 7 days, we're going to keep those rain chances still around 30 to 40%. And really that snow begins to take over very late into the week. And temperatures are just going to try to get closer to what it's supposed to be for the final week of January, but still above average, even with that snow involved late in the week, with only some minor accumulations expected at best.